guys, so we're going to be starting this week. If you guys can see, I guess the sun is not going to let me be great, but a Fitbit journey. Yeah, there we go. You can see me better now. A Fitbit journey. Basically, I have the Fitbit Versa, and it's going to be a 10,000 step a day challenge. So I'm challenging myself to get 10,000 steps in a day. Basically, this is what my watch looks like. Looks like this. There it is. Oh, it turned off as soon as I looked away. But I do have currently 2,385 steps. Yes, 2,385 steps, and it's only 8:30 in the morning. I don't know if that's good. I don't know if it's bad, but that's what I got so far. But my goal is 10,000 steps a day. I'm going to show you guys how I got my steps in, and for the rest of this week, we're going to track the steps. So it's Tuesday. We're having our meeting today. I don't want to keep y'all too long, because I know this is all about the step challenge, but I'm so interested to see how hard it is to get 10,000 steps in a day. Like, if you have a Fitbit, definitely let me know. Find out a way you can invite me to be your friend so we can keep up with each other. But the Fitbit Versa, it actually, I'm trying to see what it does. It keeps up with your exercise, it keeps up with your steps, your sleep schedule. Like, it showed me when I was in REM sleep, it was showing me when I was in deep sleep, everything. And it calculates how much time you spend sleep versus awake, which is pretty cool. And it has like alarm clocks, like, you know, you need to move. And this one connects to my phone, so if my phone's ringing, my Fitbit vibrates. Like, I got a call this morning, my Fitbit vibrated. I almost went crazy. And then it gives you notifications like when your phone, it's kind of like an Apple Watch, honestly, and it's a lot cheaper. It's only $150. So I'll leave the link to the Fitbit Versa below, the Versa Lite, because that's what I have. And basically, you know, throughout the week, I'll be showing you how it works and what I think about it, and if I got my 10,000 steps in every day. So you guys seeing a piece of my hand, but I'm trying to block the sun so it don't mess up the lighting. So I'm gonna get off here, but yeah, let's see if we can get 10,000 steps in every day. This was the end of my first day using the Fitbit. I went way over the 10,000 steps. It wasn't hard as I thought. The next day I did 11,000. I have to say I was very impressed, and the Fitbit makes you want to move. It makes you want to get up. It gives you a little alerts on your watch that you need to make some step movement and that you just need to just move, and you're motivated more to get up and get up out your seat, especially with my type of job, which is sit down. You see, when I had to work on Saturday on Cellathon, I only did 5,800 steps. So that was like the worst day I have had so far. But the next day I brought it back up with 12,300. Hey guys, say hi. Hi. So just wanted to update you guys on how Monday morning is going so far. You got a kitty on your shirt. I am fasting, so I have not eaten anything. Of course, I don't eat until after 10, and I'll show you what I'm eating. But I've already gotten 1,700 steps. But this week really is about giving up all my snacks. Huh? No, that's not soda. Oh, that's the bubbles. The bubbles are shaped like soda. Bye. Oh, you got the ice cream one. They're bubbles. They're ice cream bubbles and soda pop bubbles. But this week's goal is making sure not to soda. Yeah, show them the soda bubble. Are you gonna blow a bubble? There we go. So this week is all about cutting the snacks and the chips. I'm gonna cry right now. But this week's all about cutting the snacks and chips. Put the wand back in there and close the bubbles so we don't spill them. But Grace has a follow-up appointment from her. We're about to get out. Can I talk to the people? Can I talk? Blow your bubble. Bless you. She has a follow-up appointment from when she had pneumonia and was in the hospital. So her follow-up appointment's today. So that's why the kids are with me this morning. No, that was Justin's. It's empty. So that's why the kids are with me this morning. But whoo, yeah, the soda bubbles. No, yours is the ice cream bubbles. All right, so let's get into the appointment. I'll show you guys what I'm eating and I'm drinking on for the day, of course. I'm going to cut back on the water a little bit. I've been doing a gallon. I'm going to take it down to, because a gallon is like 124 ounces or something like that. I'm going to take it down to about 100 ounces. I'm going to drink 100 ounces of water instead of 124 or whatever I was drinking. Sometimes I was drinking 156 gallons of water. Yeah, I was drinking, not gallons, 156 ounces. Yeah, I was drinking about 156 ounces. So we're going to scale it back down to 100. Because 100 should be enough. So I'm gonna get off here. I gotta get into this appointment, but yeah, getting the steps in, and I'll have my step updates for you guys at the end of the day and throughout the videos, and just do little updates throughout the week. And I hope you guys enjoyed. So I did have this little Atkins bar. It was gross. I only took one bite and threw it away. And this was my lunch. I told you I have open face sandwiches, so I enjoyed the open face sandwich. Hey guys, it's been a couple days. I haven't checked in, so I wanted to check in with you really quick. I'm just coming from the doctor from getting my B12 shot. The guy that does my what shot does he do for me? That did my Botox is the one that does my B12 shots too. I'll leave the information below for you guys. But yeah, so my period decided to come early. When I mean early, she's 6 days early. So she started yesterday, and I'm in so much pain. Like, so much pain. And a lot of it has to do, my periods have gotten worse since I got my tubes tied. I'm going to make a video on it, but I am going to, because they don't do it covered under insurance, but I'm going to get my tubes untied. Again, insurance does not cover it, so it's going to take me some time to save for it. It can get an expensive procedure, but starting after this period's over and everything, I'm going to my OBGYN, and I'm going to start talking to them about the tubal ligation reversal. I'm trying not to cry, but getting my tubes tied was the worst thing I've ever done. I made the decision. It was a split decision, and it was stupid. I made it because I got pregnant back to back. And when you get pregnant back to back, you get scared. And you're like, oh my God, what if this keeps happening? I have to stop it. And I stopped it. I got my tubes tied. And if I would have took some time and thought, I could have got on Mirena. There's different pills I could have took. There was so much I could have did that wasn't a surgery, but because they're like, you're getting a C-section, we're already in there, let's just get it all done, and doing it. Now, I didn't think about all the consequences, and people kept warning me, girl, don't do it. It's going to be hard to lose weight. Your periods are going to be worse. You're going to have migraines. You're going to have all these side effects. And I'm like, well, at least I won't get pregnant. But then you start going through the side effects, and they're bad. Like, there is a lot of side effects of a tubal ligation. Like, a lot. Like, you should really look it up. It is pretty bad. But I'm having really bad symptoms, really bad times since my tubal ligation. Not just in weight loss, because weight loss is because of what I eat, and I know that, and what I do. But it does slow down weight loss, and it causes weight gain, and it causes that kangaroo pouch. Yeah, it helps with that. But my periods have been so bad. Like, they're so unbearable. Yesterday I only did 8,000 steps. I was not able to get to 10. I just couldn't. My legs couldn't take it. It's like your whole bottom half. It's an excruciating pain. Like, that's so hard to explain. Like, I had that problem before when I was younger. Then once I had Justin, it rectified itself. Like, when I was really young, it was so bad where I had to be wheeled out in a wheelchair in high school if my period started at school. It was that bad. But to me, I thought that was normal. But as I talked to doctors, I got older, it's not normal. And I don't have endometriosis. I don't have things like that. But ovarian cancer and stuff like that runs in my family. So my ovary health is very important. I have to keep up with it. And I have polycystic ovarian syndrome, which is a call, can bring on ovarian cancer, because there's already issues in the ovaries. So, this isn't just a weight loss thing. This is an overall health thing. So the next thing I'm about to start focusing on is the overall health of my body, because my kids need me, I need me. So, I'm going to be going, like I said, to the OBGYN. After that, I'll make a tubal reversal video and my plans for tubal reversal and all that. But, yeah, so I'm in a lot of pain. So I'm not even gonna weigh in this week because I already know I'm gonna be mad because, did I say a cuss word? I'm so sorry, guys. But I'm gonna be mad because I'm on my period. There's nothing I can do. I can't make it go away. I'm actually pretty depressed that it decided to show up 6 days early. That really pissed me off because I've been working my butt off, and then here comes my period to screw it all up for me. But it is what it is. I'm still gonna finish out this week. I'm gonna bring you guys the final update of everything I think about my Fitbit and everything. But I'm gonna get off here now. I have to get to work. I love you guys. Thanks for listening. And I guess we're gonna end this video talking about the Fitbit. So this is just showing you how I did on steps throughout the week. I have to say, getting to 10,000 steps was easy until, you know, Flo came around and she made it a little bit more difficult. As you see, I have 2 days that was under 9,000, which really sucked because I didn't get my second walk in. But you can see how it started to increase again. And I just love the fact that they have like the sleep tracker and everything on it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. More videos to come, and stay motivated.